The old Chevy truck. I'm gonna get in this thing and drive it. It's hot in here. Dang. See if this works out. I ordered these seatbelts from LMC truck. I get their catalog, and the seatbelts that were in here were old and crappy and didn't work. So I ordered new ones and installed these. So now I got good safety. Alright, where am I? Oh, there I go. Put it in reverse and see if I can go. Ah, jeez. Okay, I don't have any power steering. Let me see if I can get this done here. Alright, there we go. Had to back up a little bit. I've got a heck of a turn to make right here. Don't want to run over no tree. There we go. Woo. This is my work truck. The old Chevy work truck. I'm missing some bolts in the bed of the truck. That's why you hear a squeak, 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 squeak. Alright, there I go. Going down the road in my Chevy truck. Anyway, this is my work truck. This is the one I'll be using whenever I go and do all my handyman jobs. We got it. Haven't really done much to it other than replace the points, adjust the distributor, clean and adjust the carburetor. Of course, I put seatbelts in. That's about it. I've been using it for, I don't know, a good long time now. But I've got it for doing work, hauling stuff, hauling my tools, so I can go to the job site. And that's where I'm going right now. Going to a job site. And I'm there. Pull in a park right here. Didn't take long, did it? Ooh, there we go. I like it when the job site is close to the house. Alright. This is called 3 on the column, or 3 on the tree as a lot of people call it. It's a clutch, and I shift gears up here. Anyway, that's first, second, third. No, backwards. First, second, third. Yeah, that's the way it goes. Right? Reverse is all the way. So like this is neutral, and then come here to me, and then all the way up is reverse. Alright, so neutral towards me, down is first gear. And I go back up to neutral, go forward, go up, that's second gear. And then I go all the way down, that's third gear. Yeah, I think I got it right that time. Okay. But I got the clutch held in, I also got my foot on the brake. So I put it in neutral, let go of the clutch, push in the parking brake, and turn the key off. Then I push in the clutch and go ahead and put it back in the first gear. And you heard my phone beeped. So I either got an email or a message of some sort. There's my phone. Alright, what'd I get? I got an email. Alright, well, I need to carry in my tools, and I got some fluorescent light bulbs here. I got to go in and see if I can get a fluorescent light going. I got my camera, and talk to you later.